All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys, and I'm feeling festive. Anyone can tell me what I'm drinking? Just tell me what I'm drinking. So I win a phone card. It has to be a Jamaican because a Jamaican may live, so we can afford it. A Jamaican credit, maybe a $500 credit or a $1,000 credit. Or you're gonna win it. Hitting the subscribe button. Go over to my Instagram page and inbox me and tell me the answer in my inbox. And whilst you do so, just drop your number and your contact. You just drop your contact information, and I'll definitely send you the credit. The first person to do it, the first person who guess and get it right, exactly whatever is in this cup, exactly, we'll get it. We'll get it. Two components in the cup. There's two components in the cup. And if you can guess and tell me the two components in the cup, you get the $1,000 credit. So hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, also hit the share button. Share it to your WhatsApp group, and make sure that you come to the Instagram page on Military Guna on Instagram and inbox me and your contact information and the two components that are in the cup, and definitely you will get that credit. So the first person, first come, first serve. First come, first serve. All right, so let me give a congratulations to the winner of the $2,000 credit. $2,000 credit, people, because we made a bet. We made a bet about Edwin Allen, and that was on the Instagram. It was on the schoolboy football. On the schoolboy football, we made a bet between Edwin Allen and Dintel, which one of those schools would have gone through to the semifinals, and they basically, the winner actually got a $2,000 credit. Let me show you guys the winner. I'm going to show you guys the winner. Let me show you the winner. The winner is Tyrone Turner. Tyrone Turner is the winner, people. He's the winner. He won the $2,000 Jamaican credit. He's the winner of the $2,000 Jamaican credit. He's a Dintel supporter, and he was actually the only one who reached out. So automatically he got it. We were going to do a raffle, but no one reached out via Instagram, only Tyrone Turner, and he got the credit. Massive respect. Big up Tyrone. And people, nobody reach out. So don't think that I'm a friend. No, I've never spoken to him before. When he messaged me, it was the first. So big up Tyrone Turner. So anybody who can guess what's in the cup, definitely on Instagram, hit the like button, hit the share button as well. Must share the video in your WhatsApp group, and also hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and contact me via Instagram, and I will send you the $1,000 credit. So let's move away from that now. So the Jamaican Premier League is looking towards investing in regards to the addition of the video assistant referee, VAR, the notorious VAR. Let me move away from this now. The notorious VAR that is causing so much contradiction. So I'm going to get into the details of that, people. As I said, people, please remember, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. I will totally appreciate it if you do. So I'm going to read the article, people, and let you guys get more information on what was said. So the PFJL chairman interested in VAR for the Premier League. So Professional Football Jamaica Limited chairman Christopher Williams has indicated an interest in using video assistant referee for Jamaica Premier League, but has not committed to a timetable for its incorporation. His comments come as the CONCACAF intend to use the system for the remainder of the World Cup qualifiers starting next month. Remember now that this system will be introduced in Jamaica, so this is now a time where we can get more involved in regards to understanding how we can operate this system. Maybe there's going to be a few of the referees being trained to understand. So he's saying that we have the necessary, we will have it via the World Cup qualifiers. So it's something that we can look to integrate back into the system and move our football forward. And what I, for one, is 100% up for it. I'm up for it. William says, while there's no internal discussion regarding the matter, he would not be opposed to implementing the system for the local league should the Jamaican Football Federation make it a mandate. It's possible because our games are well covered by the cameras. So we do have the footage. We may not have all the cameras, but we have good coverage of the games. And we would be able to give referees access to that coverage if there is a necessity. That's what William told the Gleaner. No timeline being set by us, but it's certainly something that enhances the fairness of the game, and I am in full support of anything that can be done to enhance fairness of the game. So, according to FIFA, so yeah, he said more things in regards to the coverage and the cameras. So, camera requirements. This is what FIFA's mandates are. According to FIFA's implementation of assistance and approval of the program for VAR, a minimum of 4 cameras consisting of a central wide angle, a central tight angle camera, and 2 16mm cameras that can be used to assess offside situation must be available. The CONCACAF head of communications, Nicholas Noble, says that assistance can be given to leagues in the region such as Jamaica to implement the technology, but will leave the final decision to the respective association. So the ball is in JFF court. So they are the one who holds the key to this happening right now. JFF are the ones who hold the key to this happening right now. And based off Mr. Ricky's last interview that he did on I Am Sure Sports channel, that is Mr. Stennett. You guys can go and check it out. I Am Sure Sports. That can check out that interview as well. There's a lot was said in it. What he said on that interview is that they are looking at ways how to improve the local league and also the international football. So improving the local league will definitely improve the international standards of football and improve the players that we have in the local league. So I, for one, people, I am 100% up for this. I am 100% up for this. This is the best way of moving the league forward, taking the league to the next level. And this is what we want. This is what we want: better officiating. We want better footballing. And as you know, the implementation of more cameras make the game look a lot better. Makes it look a lot better. Yes, it can be expensive, but the returns are there. The returns are there. Let me tell you why I know that returns are there. We are seeing that Jamaica now has a lot of different nations are being introduced into our JPL system, Premier League system. A lot of the players from other Guyana, all these places are coming to play in the JPL, which is saying that telling me that we can become the footballing hub for the Caribbean, where all these players right across the other footballing nations, other nations in the Caribbean, other Caribbean countries, can send their players, their top players coming or wanting to come in the Jamaican Premier League to come and perform, because that is where the limelight is at. That is where you get the opportunity to move to the bigger leagues. And we can become the Caribbean football hub. Jamaica can become the Caribbean football hub, where you have more talented players in the Jamaican Premier League. The Caribbean countries wanting their players to come over here. So transfer markets, transfers, players coming in, players coming out, and all these aspects would be a big factor. Recruitment drive would be more tedious. A lot of these things will be happening. More opportunities will be arising for youth inside of Jamaica. This can happen. This is all we need is for the head of the JFF to start to think ahead and think like this, business like, think football like. Because the more you think football like is the more you can implement things and make things happen. Yes, the big problem is money. That is the major problem. And what I know in this world, I don't have a PhD in business. I don't have no doctorate in business. But what I do know, for the small amount of business that I am doing so far in regards to the business world, I know 100% sure, and this is a fact. You have to spend money to make money. There's no way you can spend minimal. You can spend $10 and want to turn over 500 million. That won't happen unless you buy a lot of tickets. Unless you buy a lot of tickets. And this is not lottery. This is business. You have to spend money. You want to make a million? You spend 100,000. You turn it over into the million. You want to spend 10 million? You spend a million. You want to make 100. You want to make 100 million? You spend 10 million. And that's just how it is. So if you want to make money, you guys want to fill your pockets, spend money. Don't consistently receive, and don't spend and expect that you're going to make money. That's not how it is. That's not how it is. So, people, I'm all up for it. So, please, people, tell me what you think. Do you believe that this is a good idea and another way how to better the league that we have right now and make the football become more attractive and the talent and the quality of the football to improve significantly? This is just one more addition. Not saying that it will happen overnight, but what I'm saying is that this is another stepping stone that can implement it. And before you go, people, remember, contact me, like, share, hit the subscribe button, and contact me via Instagram if you want that $1,000 credit. Here, people, big up, people. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay safe, stay festive. It's the holiday season. Families a must. Big up, people. Thank you guys for tuning in. Military Guna TV, and I'll see you guys again